Experiencing charging issues with your Tesla Model S at a supercharger can be frustrating. There are several reasons why this might be happening, ranging from simple user errors to more complex technical problems. Common causes include charging stalls due to overheating or grid issues, plug connection problems, payment failures, or error codes indicating hardware or software malfunctions. But when issues occur, they can stem from various sources, such as differences in supercharger port designs. Payment errors can halt charging sessions, and error codes appear on the vehicle's screen. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these issues to get you back on the road quickly. A charging stall occurs when the power delivery unexpectedly halts during supercharging. This often happens because the battery management system detects that the battery temperature is too high, exceeding 45 degrees Celsius, and reduces or stops the charge to prevent damage. Grid overloads at the supercharger station can also cause stalls by overwhelming the power supply. To resolve a charging stall, first cool down the battery by driving for a few minutes or parking in the shade. Then restart the charging session. Tesla's Charge Optimizer, introduced in 2025 software updates, helps prevent stalls by automatically adjusting power draw based on battery health and grid conditions. If the charging plug isn't latching properly, it could be due to an obstruction or misalignment in the charge port. The main causes are obstruction or misalignment in the charge port. Ensure the port is clean and free of debris. The Model S uses a retractable charge handle with magnetic coupling. Make sure your vehicle is in park. If you see a cable secure error, try wiggling the plug or resetting the charge port via the touchscreen. For older models, manual intervention to clean the port might be necessary. Payment errors during supercharging commonly occur due to authentication issues with your Tesla account, expired or invalid credit cards, or connectivity problems with the Tesla app. Charging sessions at superchargers are either prepaid or billed to your Tesla account after the session completes. If you encounter a payment failed error, first verify your Tesla app login and ensure your card details are current. As an alternative, try using cash payments at stations that support them. Finally, make sure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version. App glitches or regional payment gateway issues can also cause payment problems, so maintaining an updated app and checking for connectivity issues is key to successful supercharging. Error codes provide valuable information about the charging issue. Common codes include charge port error for hardware faults, no power for station issues, or stall for vehicle side problems. These codes are usually logged in the vehicle's service menu or within the Tesla app. For example, the no power error might appear on the vehicle's touchscreen, indicating the supercharger station cannot provide electricity. Begin by checking for available software updates, as many issues are resolved through over-the-air patches. If the problem persists, the error code will help Tesla support diagnose the problem remotely or during a service visit. When encountering charging issues at a supercharger, the first general troubleshooting step is to restart your Tesla Model S. This simple action can resolve many software glitches or temporary communication errors between the vehicle and the charging station. To restart, press and hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the touchscreen goes black, then release to power back on. The second step is to check the supercharger status to identify if the issue is with the station itself rather than your vehicle. Use the Tesla app or visit the Tesla website to view real-time station status, including any outages or maintenance. Look for indicators like available or error messages that might explain the problem. If the problem persists after restarting and checking the station status, the next step is to contact Tesla support for personalized assistance. Support can provide remote diagnostics, error code explanations, or guide you through additional fixes. Reach out via the Tesla app, phone, or website chat. For persistent or complex problems that can't be resolved through basic steps, schedule a service visit with Tesla. Many issues, especially hardware-related ones like charge port problems, may be covered under warranty at no cost. Use the Tesla app or website to book an appointment at your nearest service center. During the summer of 2024 in Europe, over 500 Model S owners experienced charging stalls at V3 superchargers due to high demand and heat. Tesla responded with a software patch, version 2024.8, that lowered charge rates in hot climates, resolving 85% of these cases. Owners could also help by cooling their batteries through driving or using air conditioning. In a 2025 incident at a U.S. supercharger, a Model S owner failed to charge due to port corrosion. The owner used compressed air to clear debris, as recommended in Tesla's online manual, enabling a successful charging session. This case underscores the need for regular port maintenance, though newer Model S variants include automated port cleaning to prevent such issues. In early 2026, a fleet of Model S rentals in Australia faced payment errors that halted charging for 20 vehicles due to an app update conflict. Tesla's support team issued emergency credits to resolve the issue. This incident prompted Tesla to refine its payment API, leading to a 50% drop in similar errors following the fix.